All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Beautiful burgundy with black leather interior, premium sound system, steerable controls, backup camera, roof racks, dual roof racks, alloy wheels. I'm sorry, not dual roof racks, dual roof, panoramic sunroof, roof racks. 32,000 miles on this vehicle, navigation system, heated front seats, heated back seats, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LLC curbing. And your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. That's right, just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LLC curbing. Your tire thread over 930 seconds. Here's a nice shiny roof. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got your panoramic sunroof there. Looks good. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Of course, your Navi system. Boom. Heated seats here. Boom. Vented seats as well. Radio, obviously. Super nice. Got your AC controls right down below. Boom. Dual AC controls. You get your backup camera. Still with controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues except for tire pressure, it says. All right, and check out your mileage, which is 32,616. Looks good. Keep it moving. Fog lights are on, colors on. Things are nice, glorious. Let's see, it's got a little power button here. Opens up the rear trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Here's a nice shot from the inside of your dual roofs. Rear bumper looks good. This is what your cargo area looks like. Very nice. Does have a spare tire with some tools, and I tucked away your owner's stuff right there. A little button here closes the rear lift gate, and rear lift gate looks pretty good. Doesn't seem to have a heavy scratch here. It's been touched up about 6 inches down here at the bottom. All right, this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is over 930 seconds. This door does have a dent down here. I just spotted it about 5 inches right there. I don't think there's any paint off. That's just a scuffing on this plastic piece. You see it here? This is like a covering. All right, there's a little dent down there. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and heated seats back there. Very nice. This door looks good. Has a little chippy there. Front door. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds. Under 730 seconds, about 4. Lights are working. Fog lights are on. Car looks beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 17, Jeep Grand Cherokee limited edition with 32,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.